Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Glass Fixer is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner, offering a quick and cost-effective solution to those annoying chips and cracks that can compromise your windshield integrity and your visibility on the road. Instead of shelling out hundreds of dollars for a full windshield replacement, this innovative kit empowers you to perform a professional quality repair right at home, saving you time, money, and the hassle of visiting a repair shop, ensuring your car remains safe and looking its best with minimal effort. Number 5. Magnetic Eyeglass Repairing Kit. Introducing a comprehensive eyeglass repair kit designed to keep your eyewear in perfect condition. It includes everything you need to fix your glasses on the go. This kit features a variety of precision magnetic screwdrivers, perfect for handling tiny screws. You'll also find an assortment of screws and comfortable nose pads in various sizes to ensure a perfect fit. Never be caught unprepared with the multifunctional keychain screwdriver. It includes Phillips and flathead options, plus a nut holder, making it ideal for quick adjustments anywhere. Customize your comfort with a selection of nose pads in different sizes. The kit also provides a wide range of tiny screws, easily managed with the included curved tweezer and organized within a convenient screw box. Beyond eyeglasses, this versatile tool kit is perfect for repairing sunglasses, watches, clocks, and other small electronic devices. It's the essential companion for all your minor repair needs. What we like. This kit is incredibly comprehensive, offering a wide array of tools and replacement parts. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to fix all your eyewear issues, from loose screws to worn-out nose pads, this is the one. It's perfect for anyone who wants to be prepared for any eyeglass repair need. What people say. The screwdrivers are so easy to use. I have arthritis and they fit comfortably and I can fix any glasses or other small screw I need to. Plenty of options to find the perfect screw to fix your glasses. My screw had fallen out of the part that holds my lens in, and it took me less than a minute once I received this kit to find the correct screw with the proper threading, that actual screwdriver to screw it in. Has everything: screws, nose pads, all different sizes, as well as a full pack of screwdrivers. Number 4. IMPRESA Vertical Blind Repair Tabs Kit. Tired of damaged vertical blinds? Our repair tabs offer a tool-free solution to seamlessly restore your window blinds. They are an essential addition to your blind repair kit. Each tab comes with an ultra-sticky, pre-applied adhesive for a secure and lasting connection. Enjoy a swift repair for your sliding glass door blinds with a simple peel and stick application. Our clear repair tabs are designed to fit all types of vertical window blinds, regardless of color or texture. They are the perfect versatile addition to your window blind fix kit. This kit provides a complete repair solution with 20 clear blind repair tabs and 2 alcohol wipes. Clean your blinds before application to revitalize any sliding door blinds with durability. Go beyond simple repairs and enhance the appearance of your sliding glass door and patio blinds. These tabs offer an efficient way to maintain the visual appeal of your vertical blinds. What we like. This product offers a remarkably simple and effective way to fix damaged vertical blinds. If your blinds have small tears or holes and you want a quick, tool-free solution that looks neat, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for renters or anyone who needs a fast, no-fuss repair for their window treatments. What people say. Update 2022. 3 years later, I have now moved into yet another house with vertical blinds. I continue to use this product with one change. I now only use 1 tab per blind instead of the 2 recommended. The blinds stay up just fine with 1 tab, so by using only 1 per blind I get more bang for my buck. Update: almost a year and a half later, all of my repaired blinds are still hanging tough. I have since had to repair several more. All of the windows in our house have vertical blinds, and I have stopped cleaning the surface with alcohol before attaching the tabs. Even without using the alcohol, the tabs are holding strong. My previous repair attempts involved cutting a thin strip of plastic from some product packaging and supergluing it across the broken part of the vertical blind. It worked, but these repair tabs are easier to use and work better. Number 3. Permatex 09103 Automotive Windshield Repair Kit. Restore your windshield to its original condition. This kit is designed to make permanent, airtight repairs on chips and cracks. Achieve lasting results with our advanced formula. It creates a seal that prevents further damage and maintains the integrity of your glass. The included repair syringe and plunger make application simple and precise. You can easily fill the damaged area for a seamless fix. This kit effectively repairs bullseye damage up to 1 1/4 inches in diameter. It's suitable for most laminated windshields. Designed for a universal fit, it works on a wide range of vehicles. Get professional results right at home. Everything you need is in this 9-piece kit. Make your windshield look like new again with this comprehensive solution. What we like. This kit is designed for making durable, professional quality repairs to chipped or cracked windshields. If you have minor damage on your car's windshield and want a permanent, weather-sealed fix without going to a professional, this is the product for you. It's perfect for car owners who want to prevent small chips from becoming bigger problems. What people say. The resin filled the chip nicely, and once it cured, the spot became way less noticeable. You really have to look for it now. More importantly, it stopped the crack from spreading, which is exactly what I needed. This repair kit made fixing small cracks at work simple and quick. I really liked how the syringe and plunger helped create a tight, lasting seal. I was skeptical at first, but this product was so good that I cannot even find the place where the cracks were at. Number 2. Magnetic Eyeglass Repair Kit. Introducing a comprehensive kit designed to fix all your eyewear needs. It includes everything from specialized screwdrivers and various screws to replacement nose pads and essential tools. Experience the convenience of magnetic screws that are also rust-resistant, perfect for your glasses and other small items. The included tweezers make handling these tiny components a breeze. This versatile mini screwdriver set isn't just for eyeglasses. It's ideal for repairing watches, mobile phones, and other small electronic devices that require precision. Always be prepared with the included keychain screwdriver, featuring both Phillips and flat tips. It's a professional tool for eyewear repairs that you can take anywhere. Before purchasing, please verify the dimensions of each component. This ensures that the pieces in the repair kit will perfectly match your eyeglasses for a seamless fix. What we like. This kit provides essential tools and parts specifically for eyeglasses, with a focus on convenience. If you frequently deal with small screws on your glasses or watches and appreciate the ease of magnetic components, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a compact, portable solution for eyewear maintenance. What people say. The kit is easy to use and the repair is almost invisible. It fixed a chip in my windshield that was spreading quickly. The instructions were clear and the repair held up well after a week. Number 1. AXTH 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Introducing the AXTH 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set, your ultimate toolkit for any repair job. It's designed to handle everything from delicate electronics to everyday household items. This comprehensive set includes 24 different types of bits, ensuring you have the perfect tool for any screw. It's the most complete small repair kit you'll find. Crafted from high-quality bearing steel, these bits are incredibly durable and resistant to wear. The strong magnetic tips make picking up and holding tiny screws effortless. Experience effortless repairs with its ergonomic design. The smooth swivel cap and textured handle provide a comfortable grip for easy screw manipulation. Keep your tools organized and protected in its small, sturdy case. The secure latch ensures everything stays in place during transport, and the clear bit pattern makes selection simple. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this set is essential for disassembling, reassembling a wide range of electronics. It's backed by AXTH's lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This set offers an extensive range of precision bits for a multitude of electronic devices. If you're someone who repairs phones, laptops, or other small electronics regularly and needs a reliable, high-quality tool set, this is an excellent investment. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts and DIY repairers who demand precision and durability. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for small chips and cracks. Easy to use and the repair is almost invisible. The instructions were clear and the results were professional looking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.